What documents are needed for ITIN and SSN for Latino families? Breaking news for Latino families. The question many are asking right now is, what documents are needed for an individual taxpayer identification number and a social security number? If you are preparing your taxes or applying for identification, this information is essential. Just yesterday, the Internal Revenue Service and the Social Security Administration provided updates that could affect your application process. For an individual taxpayer identification number application, you will need a completed Form W-7, which is the application for an individual taxpayer identification number. You must also submit a valid federal income tax return unless you qualify for an exception. Additionally, you will need original documents or certified copies from the issuing agency to prove your identity and foreign status. Commonly accepted documents include a passport, a national identification card, a United States or foreign driver's license, a birth certificate, or a visa. When it comes to applying for a Social Security number, the Social Security Administration requires you to complete Form SS-5, which is the application for a Social Security card. You must provide proof of age, identity, and your United States citizenship or lawful immigration status. Typical documents for age and identity include a birth certificate or passport. For immigration status, you may need documents like the permanent resident card, the arrival or departure record, or work authorization documents. If you are applying for a child, additional documentation such as adoption records or school records may be necessary. It is important for Latino families to ensure that all documents are current and that you provide original or certified copies. If your documents are not in English, translations must be included. Having these documents ready can make the application process for both the individual taxpayer identification number and the Social Security number much smoother. These numbers are often essential for tax filing, claiming tax credits, and accessing certain benefits. Remember, while individual taxpayer identification numbers are issued to individuals who are not eligible for a Social Security number, children with Social Security numbers can be claimed on tax returns by parents with individual taxpayer identification numbers under specific conditions. This guidance is designed to help Latino families prepare effectively for their tax-related identification needs. Stay informed and ensure you have all the necessary documents ready to simplify your application process.